Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss order by in Microsoft SQL Server. Order by is used to arrange the data in ascending or descending order in a table. Order by default it is in ascending order, and if you want to set descending order then you will need to write the DESC for descending. Okay, first of all you need to open the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. I have already opened the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and next I will create a database. Create database metro demo and select the query and execute the query. Command completed successfully, and then use the metro demo and select and execute the query. Okay, and then next I will create a table employee with 4 columns: emp id int, emp name varchar 50, emp city varchar 50, emp email varchar 50. Okay, and then select, execute the query. Okay, my table successfully created here, and then I will insert 3 records inside the employee table. 1, Abhishek, Gorakhpur, Abhishek @gmail.com. Select the query and execute the query. 1 row affected, and then copy the query and paste here and paste here. Insert the second record as Amita, Noida, Amita @gmail.com. Select it, execute the query, and then write here 3 and Amita, Delhi, and Amita 123 @gmail.com. Select the query and execute the query. Okay, and next write the query select star from employee. This query display all the records from the table employee. Look here, and then in the next line I will use the order by in the statement. Select star from employee, order by emp city. This will arrange the data according to the emp city. Select it and execute the query. Look here, it is arrange the data in ascending order, because by default the order by follow the ascending order. Look here, the first alphabet is D, Delhi, and then G, Gorakhpur, and then Noida. For descending order, simply write here DESC and then execute the query. It will arrange the data in descending order: N, Noida, G, Gorakhpur, and Delhi. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.